Da har vi jo æren av å vise en nyhet også. Dette er vi først i Norge til å da ha. Muc-Off har da kommet med et eget sett. Chain Care Kit. What's inside this, Tom?
Okay, well this is a new addition, or the newest addition to the Muc-Off product range, and with it, what we're giving the rider is everything they need to clean and maintain and refresh their chain, ready for the next ride.
So inside of this kit you have all that you need. It's a good picture on the front here.
First of all, our chain cleaner.
Yeah.
And our chain cleaning brush. So, first of all, get some water on the chain, spray the chain cleaner all over the chain and the rear sprocket, agitate the chain cleaner with the brush. You can also apply the cleaner directly to the bristles of the brush, then wash it off, and then apply our chain lubricant.
Ett perfekt kit.